Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable soup with oats. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of mixed vegetables, like carrots, celery, and onions. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1/2 cup of rolled oats, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil ready. Don't forget your favorite herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of your delicious, hearty soup. Now, let's get those vegetables prepped. Dice all your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced vegetables and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they start to soften. This step brings out their natural sweetness and builds a great flavor base for your soup. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Pour 4 cups of vegetable broth into the pot with your sautéed vegetables. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Stir in 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Let the soup simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the oats are fully cooked and the soup has reached your desired thickness. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, let's add those finishing touches. Season your soup with salt, pepper, and any other herbs you love, like thyme or bay leaf. Taste and adjust as needed. For a little extra brightness, you can add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Ladle the warm soup into bowls, garnish with some fresh parsley, and serve immediately. Enjoy your comforting and healthy homemade vegetable and oat soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.